Hello guys, it is Adam. Let's not waste time and go straight to device. Today we will show you the MT51 line of devices. MT51, this is an auto recloser with remote control capability. MT51 is not an independent protective device, usually it is an auxiliary device for protective circuit breaker and RCD. Simply put, the MT51 extends the functionality of traditional circuit breaker and RCD. The principle of the operation is very simple but quite effective. We only need to match breaker with the MT51 and set the setting on the recloser itself. Let's try to do it. First, we need to set the number of recloser. We can set values from 1 to 9 times. We will set for 2 times recloser. In the next step, we set the time period by which the device will automatically turn on. You can check the designation of the time intervals on the side of the device. We can set from 10 seconds to 3 minutes, and we choose 10 seconds. Now let's check how the device works. Okay, we see the device is working. The deal indicates the number of the recloser of the circuit breaker exceeds the number of specified trips. The MT51 will give a signal and will not reclose until malfunction or corrected by a specialist maintains. In order to reset the data, we need to put the device into manual mode, press the reset button and manually turn on the device. Then we transfer the device to auto mode. By the way, about the operation modes. Auto mode puts the device into normal and auto reclosing mode. Manual mode, the device is manually mode, allows you turn off and turn on the device manually. For the sake of safety, the closing function will not work in this mode. In the lock mode, that is locking the device. When this mode is selected, the hole is for the padlock, which will block the device level without any action. This mode makes sure the security of maintains. It avoids third-party intervention and accidental turning on the device when maintains. You hang up the lock and fuse ensure the safety of working with electricity. We also have a terminal. There are terminals at the top and bottom of the device remote control. There are several options for remote control with this device. It's dry contact, wet contact, and also RS485. If you are not familiar with device terms, you can pause and read in this window. We will also leave an article on this information at the link in description. So let's try out the remote control in practice. We connect special adapters for these terminals that come with the device. Using the toggle switch, we send a signal through the terminal to turn on and now manually turn off the device. Wait 10 seconds. And we see automatic reclosing working. The device gives a signal about exceeding the set number of recloser. That means that specialist intervention is required to carry out diagnostics, after which the device can be get into auto mode. I will tell you a little about the whole line of MT51 devices. We have various types of device in our arsenal for different purposes. MT51 compatible with both MFB, RCD and RCBO. In addition to this device can match different brands breaker such as Schneider Acti9 Series and Acti9 Series, Chint NB1 and Nader NDB2 devices. However, if none of the above options suits to you, you can use our MatisSmart MM50 Series MCB or RCB breakers. As you totally understood, in such a variety of devices, it is very difficult to find the right one for you. In order to make it easier to find the one that suits your requirements, we have made a table for you and you can download from the link in the description, which will help you choose the right matched type of MT51 device. And it is the ending our video. Purchase our device on the official website and subscribe to our Facebook and Instagram. All information in the description.